Hi friends, my name is Miss Leslie and I work at the Post Road Library, and today I'm going to teach you how to make these 3 really cool ornaments. The reason we're doing this today is because this time of year is when we always welcome back our library elf on the shelf. His name is Jingles, and he brings so much joy to our staff and our patrons every year. He's always here from around December 1st to December 24th, and every night when we close the library, he gets up to all kinds of mischief and merriment. When we arrive the next day, we always find what he's been up to, and he usually makes some kind of a mess, unfortunately. Sometimes he just gets out books or toys, but it's always fun to get to the library and see what he's done every day. So while I'm teaching you how to make this craft, I'm hoping that he will arrive and give us some kind of a hint about what he'll be doing this holiday season here at the Post Road Library. So I'm just gonna, if I'm looking at my watch a lot or I'm looking out over my shoulder, it's because I'm looking for Jingles to see if he has arrived yet. So while we're waiting, let me show you how to make these beautiful ornaments. To make this project, you will need some cardboard. This is just an Amazon box that I had laying around. You will need a pencil, some scissors, and cardboard can be kind of hard to cut through, so you might want a pair of heavy-duty scissors. If you have littler hands, you might need a grown-up's help with that part. And then the only other thing you need is some yarn or string. I have lots of different yarns here to show you what they look like. So the first thing that you will do is take a piece of cardboard and take something round. I'm going to use this this canister of wipes. And I'm just going to put it on my cardboard and use my pencil and trace. I am tracing around the round canister as my template. And that's what it looks like when you're done. Here I made one with a black marker so you could see it even better. And then the next thing that you will do is cut that out. And definitely get some help from an adult if you have little hands. When you are done cutting out your cardboard circle, it will look like this. The next thing that you will do is take a pencil and you're going to draw little notches around the outside of your circle. So I usually just draw one line there and go right across from it and do another line there. And then I do one on each side. So kind of like the points of a compass, north, south, east and west. Then I take each of those sections and divide that in half. And I'm just eyeballing it. It does not have to be perfect. All right, and then each of those other sections that we've just created, I'm going to divide into thirds. Look at us doing math. See how I did that? And then I just turn it and divide into thirds each section. And there we go. That is how you mark your notches without measuring. Okay, then what you do is take your scissors again and you cut each of those notches. Just don't go very far. And again, you can see mine are not very perfect, but the end result will be just as lovely. Any sign of Jingles yet? He isn't over my shoulder or anything, is he? You would tell me, right? You would tell me if he had shown up while I was making this craft? No? Well, maybe traffic from the North Pole is really bad this time of year. I don't know. All right, this is my favorite time of year. How about you? I like the winter holidays because of Christmas cookies and presents and the fun holiday books, and everybody gets dressed up. Oh, this is just my favorite time of the year. Okay, so the next thing that you do, once you've cut all of your little notches, is take some yarn. Any sign of him? Sorry. He'll be here. He always arrives. Sometimes he's just late, so hang in there. He'll be here. Okay, so we're going to take our cardboard circle. It has all these notches. This one has some label from the box on the back. So I'm going to have that be the back of my ornament. And now I'm just going to hold my thumb, or you could use a piece of tape too. That's totally fine. And I'm just going to start wrapping. And as I wrap, I am tucking into the notches. See? Easy peasy. Let me get a little closer so you can see. And you don't have to do it in a pattern. You can do it totally not in a pattern. Look, I'm going to mix it up. Okay. So, did you hear that? I thought I heard a jingle bell. No. I am hearing a jingle bell. Are you hearing that? Where could that sound be coming from? Wait a minute. Let's look on the back of this board. Oh my goodness. He's been here the whole time. Hello, Jingles. Look, it says, "Hi everyone, did you miss me?" Yes, we missed you very much, Jingles. We are happy to have you back. Look how cute he is. So come visit us every day, or whenever you can. Come visit us at the Post Road Library, and every day our friend Jingles will probably be hiding in a different location, and maybe you can find him and see what silly antics he's gotten up to in the middle of the night. We look forward to seeing you at the Post Road Library, and if you can't get to the library, you can also have some fun online with Jingles in his virtual party room, and that program begins on December 1st. All you have to do is go to our website, www.forsythpl.org, and look on the top banner for Jingles Party Room. It's a fun little virtual room where you can click on all kinds of things and read books, sing songs, and play games while we look for Jingles every day. So thanks everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you at the library very soon. Bye-bye.